garage. Today I'm going to be installing this resonator on the CB7. If you guys watched the previous videos of the CB7, I put a eBay exhaust on this, and it's a little raspy for my liking, so hopefully with that resonator it'll get rid of some of the raspiness. But if it doesn't, and it helps it just a little bit, I will be changing out the muffler for a different one to hopefully, eliminate the raspiness. But for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and install that resonator and see if it changes anything. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I picked this up on Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks, 40 bucks, something like that. But you guys can see it's kind of, it's cheap, but from the reviews, people said it helps with quieting their cars or whatever. So hopefully, I get the same effect on the CB7, but we're gonna find out once I install it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and check up the car and remove that pipe that has the resonator and cut it off, and then weld this piece onto that. Alright, so now that I got this piece out, I can go ahead and cut this resonator out of here and weld in the new one. But I just want to show you guys how the inside looks. Hold on. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Like, it's just straight through. It's just shaped like a resonator, but there's nothing in there. And on the new one, you guys can see all that. That'll help tone it down a little bit, and also hopefully help with the raspiness. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna measure how far I need to cut, because obviously this one's a little longer. Yeah, so I gotta measure this out and then cut where I need to cut and then weld it. That'll be everything. So yeah. Alright, so the resonator is tacked up right there. I connected the piece to the downpipe over there, so I can figure out where I need to weld the flange. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that out, and then pull this back out, tack the flange, and then I'm gonna test fit it one more time just to make sure everything lines up, and then I'll be able to weld the whole thing. So yeah. Alright, this is how it's looking like right now. I got it all tacked up with the flange in that section right there tacked up. So now I'm just gonna pull it out and finish welding it. And I'm probably gonna do that off camera, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished. There it is, guys. Got it all welded up. Y'all can flame me in the comments. Look at those booger welds. Yeah, you guys can roast me in the comments. As long as it doesn't leak, I'm good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on the car, and let's see how it sounds. There it is, guys. Got it all put back together. Those professional ass welds right there. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start the car and let's see how it sounds. Gotta check for leaks. Oh. I don't feel anything, so that's a good sign. I don't think it really changed anything. I think it still sounds the same. So my next option will be to swap out the muffler.